Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that can have a significant impact on your financial well-being: credit scores. Having a good credit score is crucial for various financial endeavors, from obtaining loans to securing better interest rates. In this video, we'll provide you with practical tips on how to boost your credit score quickly. Let's get started. Before we dive into the strategies, let's briefly discuss credit scores. Your credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, ranging from 300 to 850. The higher your score, the more trustworthy you appear to lenders. Several factors affect your credit score, such as payment history, credit utilization, length of credit history, new credit inquiries, and credit mix. The first step in boosting your credit score is to know where you stand. Obtain a free copy of your credit report from each of the three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. Review the report for errors, such as inaccurate personal information or accounts you don't recognize. Dispute any discrepancies to ensure your credit report reflects accurate information. Payment history is a significant factor affecting your credit score. Ensure that you pay all your bills on time, including credit card payments, loans, and utilities. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing due dates. Consistently making on-time payments demonstrates financial responsibility and positively impacts your credit score. Before diving into the process, let's briefly explain what secured credit cards are. Secured credit cards function similarly to traditional credit cards, but they require a refundable security deposit. This deposit serves as collateral and sets your credit limit. The amount you deposit usually determines your credit limit. Start by researching different secured credit card options available. Look for cards that offer reasonable fees, low interest rates, and reporting to major credit bureaus. Compare terms and conditions, including annual fees, grace periods, and any rewards or benefits offered. This research will help you make an informed decision. Opening a $1,000 limit credit card will help you boost your credit much faster. Start by researching different options and their terms. Some secured credit cards have very high monthly or yearly fees. You can also check with your bank. Once you've chosen a secured credit card, gather the necessary documents for the application process. Typically, you'll need proof of identity, such as a government-issued ID or passport, proof of address, and sometimes proof of income. Ensure you have these documents readily available to expedite the application process. Now it's time to complete the application. Most credit card companies offer online applications, making the process convenient and straightforward. Visit the card issuer's website and navigate to the secured credit card section. Fill out the required information accurately and double-check for any errors before submitting. After submitting the application, the credit card issuer will review your information. If approved, they will provide instructions on how to make the security deposit. Typically, you can deposit funds through a bank transfer, check, or sometimes even with a money order. Follow the provided instructions carefully to ensure your deposit is processed correctly. Congratulations! You now have your secured credit card. It's essential to use it responsibly to build or rebuild your credit. Make small purchases within your credit limit and ensure you can pay off the balance in full each month. Consistent, on-time payments and responsible credit management will help improve your credit score over time. Payment history is a significant factor affecting your credit score. Ensure that you pay all your bills on time, including credit card payments, loans, and utilities. Consider setting up automatic payments or reminders to avoid missing due dates. Consistently making on-time payments demonstrates financial responsibility and positively impacts your credit score. Credit utilization refers to the amount of available credit you're currently using. Lowering your credit card utilization can quickly boost your credit score. Aim to keep your credit card balances below 30% of their respective limits. If possible, pay off balances in full each month to maintain a low utilization rate. Another effective strategy is to increase your credit limits. Contact your credit card companies and request a credit limit increase. By doing so, you'll decrease your credit utilization ratio, positively impacting your credit score. However, remember not to increase your spending simply because your credit limit has gone up. Responsible credit management is key. Lenders like to see a diverse mix of credit types on your report, including credit cards, loans, and mortgages. Responsible use of different types of credit can help boost your credit score over time. Applying for multiple new credit accounts within a short period can negatively impact your credit score. Each credit inquiry creates a temporary dip in your score. Therefore, only apply for new credit when necessary and be mindful of the potential impact on your credit score. Finally, it's important to monitor your progress. Regularly check your credit score to see how your efforts are paying off. Many websites and credit card companies offer free access to credit scores. Monitoring your score allows you to spot any changes or potential issues promptly. Boosting your credit score doesn't happen overnight, but by following these steps consistently, you'll be on your way to improving your financial future. Remember, building good credit takes time and responsible financial habits. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell.